This is 2014 AMC 10B problem 12. Two circles intersect at points A and B. The minor arcs AB measure 30 degrees on one circle and 60 degrees on the other circle. What is the ratio of the area of the larger circle to the area of the smaller circle? So this is AB, and this angle here is going to be 30 degrees. We know that the other angle is 60 degrees. Okay, so obviously the circle with a minor arc measure of 30 degrees is the larger circle. So what this means, so we want to find the area of the larger circle, the ratio of the area of the larger circle to the area of the smaller circle. So we want the radius of the larger circle and the radius of the smaller circle. So how do you do that? Well, I've named the center of the larger and smaller circles O1 and O2. Let's try and find AO1 and AO2, or BO1 or BO2. Okay, so let's first deal with AO2. Let's say AB is, so we know that AO2 is radius, so let's say this is R. You also know that BO2 is R, because that's also the radius. This is 60 degrees. And this is an isosceles triangle. So this is also 60 degrees, and this is 60 degrees. So this is an equilateral triangle, and AB is also R. Okay, now on to the hard part. We know that AB is R, and this angle is 30. How do we, do some stuff so that we get AO1 in terms of R? Well, one thing we can do is create a 90-degree angle. So what we can do is, try and create a 30, 60, 90 triangle here. For instance, let's first create a 90-degree triangle. So let's just create a 45, 45, 90 triangle, and we let this point be X. Right, and we're gonna extend, so this is a 90, 45, 45 triangle, and since this is 30 and this is an isosceles triangle, we know that this is 75, this is 75. So if we extend BX to AO1, this is Y, and this side we have 30 degrees, and this is a right angle, so this is 60 degrees, and we have a 30, 60, 90 triangle. Since AYX is a 30, 60, 90 triangle, let's zoom in onto it and see how we can use it. Firstly, notice that AX is a leg of this right triangle here. And this is a right triangle that is special, so we know that this side, the leg AX, is going to be, well, R root 2 over 2. If this is R root 2 over 2, we know that the other side is gonna be so we know that YX is gonna be R root 2 over 2 over root 3. So if we actually calculate that, that's R root 6 over 6. So this means that AY is going to be R root 6 over 3. Now we know AY, we want to find YO1. How do we find YO1 though? Well, let's use the remaining triangle. So we know that this is 75 and this is 45. So the other angle is 30 degrees. Right, so this means that YO1B, so this triangle, is isosceles. How do you spell isosceles? Anyways, though it may not look like it, YO1 equals YB, because these two base angles are the same. So graphs are not always accurate. So basically what this means is that what this means is that y01 equals yb, and yb is yx, which we know is r root 6 over 6, plus xb, which is just equal to xa. So that's just r root 2 over 2. So we know that y01 is gonna be r root 6 plus 3r root 2 over 6. That's y01. So if that is y01 and ya is r root 6 over 3, then we therefore know that the entire radius, A01, is gonna be, well, this is gonna be, so this is 6. So this entire thing is gonna be 3r root 6 plus 3r root 6. This is r root 2, I wrote it wrong. So be careful when you guys are like copying stuff from one place to another. It's really easy to get stuff wrong and mess the entire question up. So this thing is over 6, and therefore we know that if we simplify this fraction, this is r root 6 plus r root 2 over 2. Okay, so now let's find the area of circle O1. The area of circle O1 is simply r root 6 plus r root 2 over 2 squared times pi. And if we put that over the area of O2, we know that this is over r squared times pi. So let's simplify. Pi cancels out. We know that the top is going to be, so the top is going to be 6r squared plus 2r root 12, or you could say 4r root 3 plus 2r squared over 4, and then over r squared. Okay, so this basically means we have 6 plus 4, we have 6 plus 4 over r times root 3 plus 2 over 4. And we actually try and simplify it. So if we actually try to simplify this, we have, this part is not just 4r, it's 4r squared. So this is going to be 4 over root 3. So after actually simplifying this, we have 2 plus root 3 as our answer.